everybody. Welcome back to West End Roatan. I'm Chris Singer, this is Sophia Fidio, and we're with Roatan Life Real Estate. Today we are back at the beautiful Cocolobo in West End. Sophia, welcome back to Cocolobo.
I am so excited to be here. So we have a new listing here in Cocolobo. This is MLS 20-348. And we are listed at $135,000.
It's amazing because you are oceanfront property at $135,000, and it's just under 600 square feet, and you have nothing but endless ocean and sunset views.
This is a great location, and let's just take a step back and say the last unit that we featured, it's sold, it's gone. This is the only one listed right now in Cocolobo, which is a lovely little resort here in West End, walking distance to the nightlife, to dive shops, to restaurants, to shopping. You really do have everything here in West End, and you've got a beautiful little pool area here,
which has just been remodeled. So you guys have seen it.
It's just been remodeled. Your ocean front over the Iron Shore. You're hearing the wonderful ocean sounds right now.
Exactly.
And you get to own your very own little unit.
Which is great. You get to own your own slice of paradise here at Cocolobo. Like you said, we have no more for sale. This is the only one listed currently. The last one sold under, just under, I guess, 6 months or so, which is great. The market's really moving, don't you think?
I think it's moving. Inventory is quite low right now, and we're seeing that homes and condos aren't sitting as long as they used to. So to be in a established development like this, you know, it is above some of the other options that are on the market right now. And we do have a formed HOA and management on site, right?
We do. We have an on-site manager. We have a formed HOA already, and a very active, healthy HOA. The HOA is $3,000 a year, and that includes HOA management. It includes common area liability insurance. It also includes cable and Wi-Fi, your watchman, and your gardener. So you get a lot for your $3,000.
And is the pool maintenance included in that?
Yeah, like daily cleaning and such. But you know, pool chemicals and things like that are charged to the homeowners. So the other great thing about this property is that it is truly turnkey and hands-off. You've got an on-site manager, Lael, that you're gonna meet and love in a few minutes. And she really takes care of all the guest services and all of everything in and out of your unit. So it really makes it where you come when you want to enjoy your vacation, and then when you don't want to be here, you lock your things up and you go home and you do whatever you do.
That's wonderful.
It's quite nice. And so we also have the on-site property management is a 20% commission, but then again, they take everything, care of everything, that is. And they also have 3 rental pools on site. What I mean by that is the income is shared between the top floor units, which there's 6. The bottom floor units, there's 4, they share income, and there's 2 cottages, and in the entire property, there's 12 units. So all of the expenses to run a resort, so your toilet paper, your cleaning supplies, your breakfast supplies, whatever you need, it's all divided by 12. So it keeps it really nice and fair. There's no squabbling about this and that. And the HOA, again, has been super active. So they have, during COVID, remodeled the pool, which looks so inviting.
It looks wonderful. I really do want to get in.
I think great place for sunset drinks, not gonna lie.
Absolutely.
And then also, they've already put on a brand new roof, and they've repainted the entire exterior of the buildings and the pool decks. So they've really done a great job.
So you really don't have to worry about your investment?
Not at all. It is 100% looked after.
And the big things have already been taken care of. So you've got several years before you need to even consider that having to be something that you'll need to do.
Right. And it should also be talked about is that there is an automatic generator on property too. So it's really
great. We do have those little power outages here on island.
It happens from time to time.
It happens from time to time.
But anyway, it is a great unit. It's a ground floor unit. So this is really nice the way that it's currently set up. It has 2 double beds, but it could be easily converted if somebody wanted to do a king bed. They could do that themselves, or our lovely on-site might be able to help us do that. Should we go take a little look around?
I think we should go have a look around. So we're going to walk through the common area right now, right?
Definitely, yes. After you, because the common area is so nice. You have obviously the lounge here. The guests have their breakfast down here, and then there's a little barbecue, and yeah, it's really quite lovely. And we're decorated right now for Christmas because we have a few holiday folks here enjoying some vacation time.
Which is quite lovely. It's nice. And hello, this is Leo. This is the manager.
Sophia said. So I'm here only to make sure the guests are well taken care of and that everything goes smoothly for everybody's stay, and we give them the best possible hospitality here at Cocolobo.
Ah, very
Wonderful.
nice.
Well, thank you very much. We're going to run off through the gardens and have a quick look at that unit.
Enjoy your tour.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So one of the really great things about Cocolobo is that the owners do have access to on-site laundry. They have access to the kitchen. The guests are, of course, going to be charged for laundry, but they also do get breakfast and they serve it down here. And then we have a little bar area, so if you wanted to have a little hangout with your friends. And if you want to follow us this way, we will show you the unit. We're super excited about it.
I see the guests are already down by the pool.
Oh,
It's
yes.
getting close to that sunset time.
And of course, we do have our on-site pop-up here. It's Lala's Boutique.
And they have lots of lovely things.
Oh yes, we all shop.
Oh, Chris, the gardens. Every time I walk through here, I really, really do enjoy it. They are so lush and gorgeous.
It really is tropical living. So you do have some nice lush gardens. Of course, it's taken care of by our on-site Cesar. And this is the north building, and the unit that we're going to be taking a look at is the Oak Ridge unit, which is actually on the ground floor, just here on the left.
Oh, and look at this unique piece of iron shore.
Yes, so we're right on the iron shore, and here it is.
I love that we've included this.
I know, it's beautiful. They've really done a nice job here. So after you, because as soon as you walk through that door, it is nothing but blue water.
Let's have a look. Oh, wow, this is 100% waterfront.
Yes.
Let's go straight outside.
So again, you are right here on the iron shore. There is absolutely nothing to break your view of the ocean and sunsets. It's gorgeous.
It is so gorgeous out here. You're steps away from the pool. You've got your own little porch area. You've got hammocks so that you can read and waste away the afternoon if that's what you so wish.
Yes, absolutely.
And the iron shore is absolutely stunning.
It is. It's gorgeous. It's really nice because, you know, some people ask about not having a beach right front or direct access. We really find that it keeps our privacy. We don't have as many sandflies. We don't have any cruise shippers wandering about. And quite honestly, if you want to walk to the beach or Sundowners or Half Moon Bay Beach, you're a 5-minute walk away. And then you're back here where it's really tranquil and quiet.
This is a great community feel.
It is. Let's take a look inside the unit. So it's set up really nicely right now with the 2 double beds. This is really ideal for some guests that maybe have children, or maybe they just want to come down as a single with a friend. It's really quite nice. We like to travel together and do that.
We do, and it makes it a really nice option.
Yeah, and the guests or the owners have just recently purchased some Pro-Emi furniture, so you've got some nice comfy seating.
It's absolutely beautiful.
And it's
yes.
a sunbrella, so it's indoor-outdoor, which is nice. We do have blackout shades. We have air conditioner that was recently upgraded. And then we have a nice kitchenette that is absolutely sufficient for your light lunches and breakfasts, and maybe if you're a light cook for dinner.
Let's go have a look. Yeah. So it looks fully well stocked from here.
Oh yeah, it's a fully turnkey unit. So what you see is what you get. So you've got your fridge, you've got your microwave, you do have a 2-top little electric burner. And then right in through here, you've got a nice sized bathroom. So it's really quite lovely because you've got plenty of storage in here. It's nice hardwood. This is actually cement. And then you've got a huge shower stall, which is great.
And the tile looks really nice and new.
Yeah, everything's been really refreshed and well kept.
And just to mention, if you wanted to, you could easily put a queen or a king right in the middle if that's what you wanted to do with
Oh
this unit.
yeah, I mean a lot of the other units are set up with a king size bed here, and then you could put like a little dinette set if you wanted, or maybe a desk, something like that. Some bars, stools, or you could convert it. You could do a lot. There's a lot of options here, but this unit does rent out nicely just as it is. So it's up to whoever wants to make it home.
Wonderful. So let's have one last look at that iron shore because it is just so inviting.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today at Cocolobo, Unit Oak Ridge. Again, we're listed at $135,000, and we hope to help you make it home.
Hope to hear from you soon.
Bye. Have a great
Bye.
day.